Apple launched the iPhone 5s in India back in November 2013. 3 years later, its price has now dropped significantly to Rs 21,499 officially for the 16GB variant. So does the iPhone 5s still make a good deal? Let's find out in this video. Currently, if you are looking for an Android smartphone, you have two options. A small sized handset that doesn't perform very well or a large sized handset with all good features. Seriously, it's difficult to get a small Android smartphone that will give you a great camera, excellent battery life, lag-free performance and a vibrant high definition screen. So in that aspect, the iPhone 5s is a clear winner. The 4-inch screen and overall thin profile makes this phone very handy. You'll never feel like you need two hands to use it. And it's all packaged in Apple's incredible design and best-in-class materials, which makes it a premium smartphone. The 5S has a fingerprint sensor, one of the best cameras out there, and it easily lasts all day, especially with iOS 10's battery saving feature. Talking about the specifications, the iPhone 5s is powered by Apple's A7 dual-core processor clocked at 1.3 GHz with 1 GB of RAM. It comes with a 4-inch display with 1136 by 640 resolution. It has a Touch ID, 8 megapixel shooter with dual tone flash with VGA quality front-facing camera, and it also comes with 1570 mAh battery. Now let's talk about the compromises and limitations with the device. This isn't to say that the iPhone 5s is a perfect phone experience, but you'll have to be ready for a few compromises. While it's smooth and in terms of functionality, the iPhone 5s isn't as fast and zippy as the iPhone 6s, 7 or 7 Plus. The biggest drawback is the RAM, which can prove to be insufficient if you are a power user with lots of gaming and multitasking. You'll also miss out on some new technologies that could change how iOS apps are designed. For example, pressure-sensitive 3D touch is available on the 6s, but you won't get it on the iPhone 5s. So should you buy the iPhone 5s now? Well, let me share my thoughts with you. You have read all the reasons the iPhone 5s is still a good buy. So that really depends on what you want from your phone. The iPhone 5s is no longer a flagship, but if you look at it as an affordable mid-range option with a normal usage, it outmatches much of the competition. So if the money is tight or you don't need the extra features of the iPhone 6s or 7 such as Apple Pay and 3D Touch, then you might as well get the iPhone 5s. So yeah guys, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope it helped you. If it did, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel by clicking the red button or by clicking onto my face on the screen to get all the tech related videos as it's completely free. Also comment down if you have any queries and I'll see you in my next video.